If your Nissan Murano infotainment screen goes black when you plug in your iPhone, don't panic. The fix is usually simple. Data shows that over 70% of these black screen issues are actually caused by the USB cable rather than the car itself. Before you take it to the dealership, let's try a system reset to clear any software glitches. Hold the power knob for 10 seconds until the Nissan logo appears to force a full reboot of the head unit. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is allowed while the phone is locked and that Siri is enabled. Always use an Apple certified cable and make sure your phone's charging port is free of any pocket lint. If audio still plays but the screen is dark, it's likely a software handshake issue rather than a broken screen. Most fixes cost under $20 for a new cable, compared to over $1,000 for a full head unit replacement. If the screen is still black, delete the pairing on both the car and the phone, then start the setup from scratch. Keep your iOS updated as Apple frequently releases patches specifically for CarPlay stability. Remember that CarPlay is just a conversation between two devices, and sometimes they just need a fresh start. If these steps helped you get your Murano's screen back, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes.